Did you know that thousands of tiny earthquakes can happen under a volcano in just a single day? This isn't science fiction. It's a real phenomenon known as a volcanic swarm, and it can be a major warning sign that something big is brewing deep beneath our feet. These swarms of earthquakes are one of the most critical clues we have for understanding what a volcano is up to. They're like a conversation happening in the Earth's crust, and volcanologists are listening intently, trying to figure out if it's just a little grumble or a prelude to a catastrophic eruption. Getting this right is a monumental task with lives on the line. The biggest challenge is that not every swarm leads to an eruption. Imagine you're a scientist and you see a volcano waking up with thousands of tremors. Do you evacuate a whole city, potentially disrupting millions of lives and costing a fortune, if it might just be a false alarm? Or do you wait, risking a disaster if the volcano blows? This high-stakes guessing game is a constant source of pressure for scientists and a huge source of anxiety for communities living in the shadow of these giants. It's a race against time where the Earth itself sets the clock. So, what's actually happening down there? Volcanic swarms are typically caused by magma, hot fluids or gases moving through cracks in the rock beneath a volcano. As this molten rock pushes its way upward, it fractures the surrounding crust, creating a rapid-fire succession of small earthquakes. To track this, scientists use a network of seismometers, GPS stations to measure ground deformation, and gas sensors to sniff out volcanic gases. Think of it like a doctor's checkup for a volcano. We've seen this play out many times in history, like before the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, where a swarm of earthquakes signaled the reawakening of the volcano after a century of silence. A perfect modern example of this tension happened recently near Iceland's Fagradalsfjall volcano. In late 2023, the town of Grindavik experienced an incredible seismic swarm, with tens of thousands of earthquakes shaking the region over just a few weeks. The ground literally cracked open, and magma was moving just below the surface. An evacuation was ordered, and the world watched, holding its breath. The eruption did happen, but thankfully away from the town. This event was a masterclass for scientists. It provided an unprecedented amount of data, helping them refine their models and understand just how quickly a volcanic system can change from quiet to critically dangerous. It's a stark reminder of the dynamic and powerful forces at play. So volcanic swarms are more than just a geological curiosity. They are a vital, albeit unpredictable, indicator of volcanic unrest, pushing the boundaries of our scientific understanding and our ability to keep people safe. These seismic whispers from the deep are a crucial part of living on our dynamic planet. What are your thoughts on living near an active volcano? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me what other earth science topics you'd like to see me cover. If you found this interesting, be sure to check out our video on supervolcanoes right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing world.